Hi everyone, my name is Benny and welcome to this Get the Look. Today we're going to use our blonding cream to show you how to create an amazing platinum blonde effect and how to use express tones to create a dark and light tone in the same color. To get started, we're going to section the hair in 4 classic sections, separating the front from the back and the right from the left. Make sure you use your Zulu lots to keep everything nice and organized. Our formula today is going to be with blonding cream in 20 volume and 10 volume. We're going to use 10 volume on the regrowth area and 20 volume on the mid-length to ends. Starting from the mid-back, using our cotton to separate the regrowth area from the mids and the ends. Pro tip, make sure you get a healthy amount of saturation of the blonding cream on the hair to ensure even lift. Make sure you also lift the hair up to check the bottom and make sure your saturation is even. To tone, we're going to section off a diamond section at the top of the head, leaving the bottom to be bright and light and the top to be slightly deeper. I'm going to want the diamond to be about 1.5 inches back from the hairline. Starting from the back, we're going to use our light and bright formula using our PRAVANA Express Tones Pearl diluted to a level 10. For our top section, we're going to use PRAVANA Express Tones in Pearl undiluted. So we're going to use just Pearl and zero lift. Pro tip, make sure you apply your color nice and fast because these express tones work super quick. We're going to let our express tones process for up to 5 minutes, and then afterwards at the sink, we're going to use our PRAVANA Color Protect shampoo and conditioner.
Wasn't that opal look fun? For more education and inspiration, make sure to check out pravana.com as well as my Instagram, blunt.hair.co, and Pravana's Instagram. Have a great afternoon. Bye.